Do you really want to deal with cybersecurity all by yourself? Do your people really have the expertise to handle what the bad guys throw at you? You know the damage they can do, and you know your cyber defenses could be better, right? Maybe you want to rethink this in-house thing. We can help. We can take cybersecurity off your plate. We know this stuff. We know how the bad guys operate. We know what they're up to. We know how to keep them away from you. We take a whole company approach to cybersecurity. Nothing is done piecemeal. We put up multiple layers of defense, integrated across all your systems. Everything talks to everything else. Everything works together. You're protected from malware, phishing, social engineering, and whatever the bad guys come up with next. It's all part of our managed services, one of the many things we can take off your plate. Things like keeping all your software up to date, which can prevent hacks, ransomware attacks, and identity theft. Things like managing your Microsoft licenses, or anything having to do with your Microsoft assets. So call us and schedule a review of your IT security profile, and soon. Because the best time to think about cybersecurity is before there's an incident, which, as you all know, could come at any time.